Hey you guys, Molly again. I want to do another one of these solid color pours. A lot of people have been doing the white and the black. I really like this phthalo blue that's here. I've mixed my paints pretty thin, and I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So I've left kind of this shape right here. You don't need that much paint. So, and I've thickened up from my last pour just a little bit because it got really muddy really fast. So, and I think I'm going to take the gold out of this one, even though I really like the gold in there. Okay. I'm just going to go to it, see what happens. I'm going to blow right here to see if I can get some of that negative space back. There we go. I actually really like this center. Blow that out just a little bit. I like this like lightning bolt line that's in there. I'm actually going to leave that. Looks almost like a, gosh, I really like that. I wish that I had that definition here as well. Looks like it's kind of exploding out of there. You guys tell me what you think. I really like this line that's in there. I don't know, maybe you guys don't. Okay. I really like that effect that I got there. I'll show you. Hope my head wasn't too much in the way. So, oh, I forgot to torch. So that's what she looks like. I'll torch while you guys are here. I don't want to torch that line. And I'll torch right here. I don't think anything will happen over there because not a lot of the white went over there. So I don't really care for the torching on this one specifically. But that is what she looks like. I really like it. It looks almost 3D on this. See a little bit of the canvas showing through right there, so I might have to fix that. But there she is. I don't know which way you guys like it, the way that you originally saw it. I might soften that line up a little bit. I don't know, but you guys don't have to be here for that process. All right, thank you guys for watching. Have a good night. Happy painting. Bye.